In this video, I will show you the differences between Lovable, Bubble, and Base44 to help you choose the right app building platform for your next project. I'll start by looking at Lovable, which is an AI-first vibe coding platform. I simply describe the app I want in natural language and it generates the full-stack web app, handles the UI, and even sets up the database using Supabase. It's great because it uses a modern tech stack like React, allowing for high scalability and the ability to export my code, though it can be a bit tricky if I'm not familiar with professional developer workflows. Next, I'll move over to Bubble. This is a very mature visual no-code development platform where I can manually drag and drop elements onto a canvas and build logic through visual workflows. It's perfect if I'm a non-technical founder who wants to build a complex, production-ready app without writing a single line of code, though it does come with a steeper learning curve and some vendor lock-in. Finally, I'll check out Base44. This is an AI-driven all-in-one app builder designed to bridge the gap between AI generation and platform management. It works similarly to Lovable by starting with a chat interface to build out a blueprint, but it operates as a self-contained system that includes its own database and hosting. Base44 is an excellent choice if I want a fast, conversational AI experience that feels more integrated, with built-in features like Stripe payments that make it incredibly easy to go from an initial idea to a deployable app. By comparing these three, I can see that Lovable is best for developers who want code control, Bubble is the gold standard for deep no-code customization, and Base44 is the winner for those seeking a streamlined AI-assisted path to a finished product. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.